Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest mid-range smartphone from Huawei under the P30 series, the P30 Lite. So we have done the unboxing and the detailed reviews of the Huawei P30 Pro, which is a flagship device. Now we have the P30 Lite also launched with the P30 Pro in India. This device retails for 19,999 and comes with a triple camera setup, and this is again a decent offering from Huawei in India, and this is priced 19,999 and available in two variants, the Peacock Blue as well as the black variant. So we have the Peacock Blue variant with us, so we'll do the unboxing, we'll show you the device, and we'll also show some camera samples taken with this device. So we have the Huawei P30 Lite, and this is having 4GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, and this is the Peacock Blue variant. So let's get started with unboxing. So again, this is priced 19,999 and available exclusively on Amazon. So let's get started. So at the back of the box we have the specifications mentioned. Again, a 6.15 inches full HD plus resolution display. It has a notch, 32 megapixel front camera, 24 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel is ultra wide angle camera, f1.8 aperture, that's the camera rear camera aperture value. There is dual VoLTE and VILT support, fingerprint sensor, and 3340 mAh battery is also included. So let's open the box package and I will show you the device. So there you go. So opening up the box, let's just take this device out. So there you go, that's the P30 Lite in the Peacock Blue variant. So you can see that this looks really nice in terms of build quality. It's made of glass and metal construction. We have the triple camera setup, the fingerprint scanner, and we have micro SD card support as well as nano SIM card. So the cat tray is on the top panel, and we have the power and volume keys on the right side. The bottom houses the USB Type-C port, the 3.5mm audio jack, and the speaker unit. The top panel has the SIM tray, and the left side does not have any openings or slots. So this is the triple camera setup. So we'll come back with the detailed camera review of this setup. So stay tuned for that. And we also have a 32 megapixel selfie camera on the front panel. So that's the device. It looks really nice in terms of the build quality. You can see this is a gradient color. Top has more bluish tint, and the bottom section has a kind of purple or violet tint. This is the Peacock Blue variant. So let's also see what else comes inside the box. So we have a case included. We can see the SIM ejector pin included. Then we also get a TPU case and the manual and warranty information. So that's the manual included with the box package. So people who are interested in SAR value will get to know the SAR value as well. So you can see that the highest SAR value for the device is 0.84. That's the highest SAR value available on this device. So there is also a case included, which is standard TPU case. Now let's see, this is the standard USB Type-C charging cable, and finally we have the adapter. So let's see the voltage rating on this adapter. So you can see that 5 volt 2 ampere and 9 volt 2 ampere, that's 18 watt fast charging is supported on this device. So this is a fast charger, which is you can see that Huawei Quick Charger. So this is not the supercharger, but then there is fast charging on this device. So that's all inside the box, and let's have a look at the device. So now we have booted the device, and you can see the 6.15 inches display. It's an full HD plus resolution display with the notch. The water drop notch has 32 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see the display quality looks pretty good. We are not really sure about any protection offered. We'll confirm that with the company, but the overall quality of the display looks pretty good. It's a full HD plus resolution display, and viewing angles are also very good. Now the back panel has the glass finishing, which looks really nice. It's quite similar to the P30 Pro as well, but we have the gradient color here as well. Now this has a triple camera setup. It's a 24 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. It's a triple camera with AI mode, fingerprint scanner is included, and the design looks really nice, and it feels really premium for the pricing it is being offered. So that's the design aspect of the Huawei P30 Lite. Now talking about the software, so this device comes with Android 9.0. Along with that we have the EMUI 9. So let's go to the system settings, about phone. You can see EMUI version is 9.0.1. Unlike the P30 Pro, we had a 9.1, here we have 9.0.1, and Android version is Android 9.0, powered by a HiSilicon Kirin 710 octa-core processor with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage. The screen resolution is 2312 by 1080p resolution, and security patch is from 1st February 2019. So apart from that, you also get a lot of additional modes: simple mode, ride mode, theme support, gestures, dual app support, digital balance. So all these functions are available. So that's the UI on the P30 Lite. Now let's have a look at the camera. So that's the most important aspect. It has a triple camera setup, and we have the AI camera included. There is night mode, portrait mode, video recording, and a lot of modes are included. And the video recording maximum is at a 1080p resolution at 60 fps. So no 4K support is there. So apart from that, you also get additional modes included. The AI mode is also included. So here are some camera samples we have taken with the P30 Lite after unboxing the device. So we'll be coming up with a detailed camera review of this device. So stay tuned for that. So we'll have a comparison with other smartphones in this price segment as well. Phone comes with 3340 mAh capacity battery, which should be able to give you decent battery life because it's a slightly smaller display, 6.15 inches compared to 6.3 on most of the smartphones in this price segment. So it should be able to give you a day of battery life. We'll confirm the battery life once we have tested the battery life in detail for almost like 3-4 days. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Huawei P30 Lite, the Peacock Blue variant. This is available exclusively on Amazon. Both the colors are available. You can pick it up from Amazon. We'll share the link in the description of this video. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.